Okay, now we can see the trade which I am currently in. Okay, so here I am trading what to say Euro USD. I entered 1 minute around, I guess, here somewhere with the 5 pips as stop loss. 5 pips as stop loss. I can check if you want. Where did I enter? Yeah, I entered. I don't like this thing, but yeah, I entered here at 982. Okay, so you can see that I entered at 982. 982, and you can set it as 50 pips. So this is the reason behind my entry. I'll also mention. So I entered somewhere around here, and we can see that in the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes, we are having a bearish breakdown, and it's going bearish. Okay, and now we can see that in this here we have the FIBO level set. This is at zero point 0.5, this is at 0.618, which is the golden ratio. If you want, I can mark the levels. Yeah, 50 and 0.618. So already it reached here, and as a confirmation, it has given like two kind of confirmation. One, this is called a two-leg protocol. One, a low is broken and confirming the send. So I took the entry after this, and it came down. I took here at the FEG as my entry, and the second one would be, this was the almost high that it created, and this is also at the break of structure from here. So there are two entry criterions to take the entry here, and here where you could see here, you could take entry here, and this could be the stop loss. And these are the two scenarios. So I am just live streaming, and I am in Germany, so it's like 2 plus 2 is the time frame. And the only bad thing about is that it does not have a timing left. So the ideal range for us to take the trade is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., where the London opens, 2 hours of London. And yeah, now the good thing is that if you want, we can close the, or let's say we can put the stop loss here, not stop loss, and we can set it as SL to BE. SL to BE. So when this touch, when it comes here, we'll just move the SL to break even. Simple as that. And this is my first stream, and I'm pretty much sure nobody's going to watch this. Only thing which I'm looking is, am I streaming live or not? So that's the only thing which I'm looking at. So yeah, so I can see that I am currently live. Yeah. Okay. I'll be So you can see that the price has come down after touching our entry, and we can see I am expecting a good movement from here because we have too much liquidity available here. So yeah. Now we have other scripts also. Let's check. I don't know. It's kind of my I'm facing issues with the speed here. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Missed the. I forgot to add the volume up. So these are the things which you can expect from a beginner in streaming. So yeah,
나 목걸이 말로 쓰네. 이슬기슬 목걸이.
yeah. Now in this section we'll be talking about how to deal with the crude. So crude in the H4, crude in the H4 is overall bearish, but now it's in the higher high section where it can be turned as a smart money trap, and people wants to go high. So let's see. So now we go to the 1 hour time frame, and 1 hour is clearly bullish, and this whole region can be act as an SMT. Okay, now here what happens is it has created a great strong break of structure here. The price came up. Now we are looking for buys. Yeah, because this took the liquidity here also, and now I don't see any reason for it to come down. So we can go up and look. Okay, so we missed this train actually, because this when this has taken, we given a break of structure here.
응?
We gave another
이들이?
break of structure also here. Yeah, we gotta take it around entry here. Yeah, 1:2 would be here. Yeah, still we can enter in this section, because this is a minor inducement which created a break of structure, and how it was done is really great. It took the liquidity, reverses the FEGs, created a huge movement, a sharp impulse move. These are all good structure of a. The price wants to go up, and I did that. So when the price comes down, we can look for a buys, and I'll yeah, we'll just put the alert. Yeah, we can. Let's see what happens to euro. No, euro is not coming down. Yeah, it really wants to take our price, it seems. The structure was bullish, but I thought it has the property to come out down. Because we could see here there are 2 minute rejections here, and it came down. Yeah, I thought this was a good place. Yeah, I still agree with this. If the trade goes wrong, it's okay. It's Yeah, this would be the last trade for me today, because I already made a loss. The previous trades, as you can see here, this is my how to say, black capital. Yeah, this is the URL, black capital x.com underscore black underscore capital. And yeah, this is the Euro USD trade which I have, which we are discussing now. At this time I took the entry, and here this YouTube, I think this was sell to break even, and I had a loss here in the gold. So still I'm looking for the gold as a short opportunity. I'm still with that, but here it's going on a huge consolidation. So this was the price, for the price for me to get activated as a shorts. I need the price to come up and take this. Yeah, this is a equal low, sorry, equal high. Yeah, now my expectation for this to happen is the, I'll explain. Price should come here, break, then come here. Then I need to create a breakout structure to the downside and to get a confirmation. So now the order flow is intact. Now the price comes here and give it to like protocol or a internal breakout structure. Then I'll enter here. Stop loss as up, and I can go for the target as 1:2 or more. But yeah, I'll go with the 1:2. So that's the plan for XAUSD. Crude oil, yeah, I want the crude to come down. I will take the trade. So I can see here that this is my, yeah, this is my account. I think all credentials are run away. Yeah, it's a 50k combine, and I have met a $300 loss today, and I have already made $1,000 profit. So again, we need to go for crude. So crude oil, and yeah, and again, crude should be down here. Yeah. So how much amount of crude I need to buy? That's the question, right? Yeah. Oh, so I need some confirmation, and yeah, let's go with 8 lots. So my risk would always be 300. So it's like six my. Oh, it's sick mini, to be honest. Okay, my trade is lost here. I'll be taken out soon. My, what to say? Yeah, it is taken out. 400 is the risk here. Let's see. M1. Yeah, soon it will be taken out, but it's okay. Not a great set. I think the trade setup was good. Overall, it was bullish, but yeah, nothing I can do here. I will not accept the trade early. Okay, that's one thing. You accept the loss and you take it out. Yeah, perfectly fine with the trade. Now the problem is that I already made one loss and other two are break evens. So if I make this trade one more time, that's done. I basically cannot trade the day, as I don't have. I am limited to 4 trades per day, 2 break even, 1 loss, and this would also be loss. So if that happens, done. And one bad thing which I did about here is I took the trade in the non-trading times. I should not have taken the trade here. I saw a good setup. I saw a great rejections. That was the 15 minute. You can see here. Let's see. I took the entry here, right? This was like, say this. This is like pure rejection. This rejection. Two other price was not able to come up. Took the FEG here. Yeah, these are all reason to come down and break the structure. In 1 hour also, you see, touches the proper FEG, rejection, come down. I can expect it to come down and break this part and give 1:3 for sure. Yeah, but I don't think it will happen. So that's that. Yeah, now it is the live price. Yeah, that's Euro USD is going to. Now let's see how the price reacted from here. So these are all the liquidity. Okay, this liquidity was taken out by this candle, created a high, but that was not strong. It had many movements, came here, come down, and yeah, the price came here, touched there. The price came here and took this FEG and created a breakout structure. Now this is beautiful. It created a breakout structure and it created with good strength, came down, gave a reaction here. Yeah, we could have taken the entry here, stop losses here or here if you are going for a long. But yeah, my narration was it was going down. 4 hour also it's going down. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is clearly bearish. You don't need to go long here. I don't care how much setup you have, you need to go short here. And my trade is going to get over. 280, 382. Now it will get. Yeah, I don't like this Apple MT5 software. I like the Windows one. I love the Windows one, but this is not good. Yeah, what to say. Anyway, this took the liquidity, it seems. One good thing is that we can check what happens in the GBP USD. What is the correlation between that? Let's go with the GBP USD. What's happening GBP USD? Same thing, breakout structure, came here, came reaction. Yeah, still we can look for here clear we could look for the short here. I don't think we need to go long here. If we get some confirmation from here side, this is a early sell side. I don't know. Let's talk with the Euro USD again. I am expecting still a break here. I hope it is working fine. The latency is okay. Okay. 99% it can hit the SL, but as per the system we need the price to come and let it touch and create a loss. So there were two trades. One, this is called a break-even trade. I can explain that trade also. I took the short here. My SL was here. I took some loss around, let's see, history. Okay, yeah, history, like, I lost like 72 US dollar here, or which was 22. Yeah, so this was the trade, right? I made some loss here, which was completely negligible. Yeah, this was the trade. Yeah, I was not able to know how to trade this stuff. So I made like around $200 loss. So I should be actually be considered as a loss. So the rule for me to consider a trade as break even and or as a loss is if I lose 0.33 percentage or more, it is considered as a loss. If it is less than 0.33, yeah, it is a break even only. I thought it was break even because it was like I thought it was less than 200 something, but it is not. Anyway, my bad. Let's see what's gold doing, what is crude doing. Okay, crude shoot up. Crude shoot up. You mentioned here, right? We mentioned that it is going to go up. But no. Our expectation was it to go up, but it did not go up. That's sad. Now gold can also do the same. Gold is really confusing. See here the 15 minutes. It's consolidating a long time. Took the liquidity. Okay, now we can look for shorts. Yeah, okay, that's a good strategy. You can see here that now we have another narration I will explain. We have liquidity, it created inducement. Okay, now we need a break of structure. We need the price to break here. The only issue is that the intent to come down is very slow, and which does not favor me. While coming up, it is good. It just came down, go and break. So if you ask me to say bet, I would go for blocks intersection because there are too many. Yeah, this is a good took all the liquidity. Yeah, this was a great build up of the liquidity. Took the liquidity, went up. This is a great place. And again it came down. This took this low, created a high. Still the price is in bullish. Yeah, if we have some confirmation, we can take the trade here. But like I said, I will not personally take any trades here because I need the price to come down. Because my risks are already met. I cannot risk more than 2% per day. Simple as that. And some break evens, minor trades. Don't care about that. This can work, but this is a very long shot. Took all the liquidity here. Small change of structure, but the issue is that the intent is really big. All the FEGs are here. Anyway, let's make it here. All the FEGs. So the people who want to go short here is completely stupid. It will be taken care of. It will be taken out for sure. I will not do that. I don't know that, guys. Anyway, thanks for the like. Yeah, gold took this liquidity, went down, create this break of structure. Now, if you want to go for buys, okay, this is the whole movement to the upward. This is 0.68, and this is an order block. Okay, and again we can see whether are there any news or not. So we go to Forex factory. Yeah. I'll explain how it is done. We have the news here. We go with the filter. We remove all these steps. We mark. Yeah, I think CAD also. Let's put it. Yeah. So do we have a trade here? We don't know. We do not need this also. We need only the red folder news. So Friday, 7:30. Don't care about this. Today we have it. In our time it's like 6:48. I'm currently in India, but I live in Germany. Yeah. Now the price can go up or it can come down. So my exit criteria is very simple. You either hit SL, it should come down here, then I'll move the SL to break even. Then the second criteria is as hit at the break even, and the third one here, hit the target. That's the only thing. So -1%, 0 and 2%. So I'm okay with that. We are waiting.
കുറച്ച് അതിലെ ഓട് എന്താ കണ്ട കുറച്ചൊന്നും അതിലെ ഓടി കളിക്കേ
Sorry about that. Okay, the price is coming down. Oops, 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 oops. I don't need to top trades. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now we are at break even. The order is good. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to go buy here. Okay. Gold is on short. Confirmed. Took the long, took it here. Now this is the, if you want to go short here, I'll go short here in this section. This is an order block. We don't care about this. This is an inducement. Oh yeah. So we will go short here. Cover this high. It's like 200 points. Okay, now let's put it here at MGC. Let's see what it is telling. I think this is the place right here. We'll enter short here. 21 points. My risk is 300, which means 14 points of risk. Our euro trade is still in the break even. Yeah, I'll be back soon. Hi guys, I'm back and you can see here that the price is coming down and it's going for the break of structure. Let's see. Okay, the price is coming down. Now this has been a great consolidation. Okay, I expect the price to come down and break this low. It's a crazy trade which I don't like, but I am still taking it. Okay, and I don't like this interface, to be honest. It's really shitty. I don't know, it feels like mobile phone and it's real trash. Okay. I don't know, it's really good, not good. Okay, let's see what's the price it needs to be. Yeah, this is the price which I want to come. I'll just put the price here, take profit as. Yeah. And that would be like how much? Yeah, 1200. Let's put it at 1200. Because then it would be like 1 is to 3 exactly. Yeah, modify. I get it, but again, it can still come down and create issues. Let's see. Now, there are two things which I can do. I can take one more trade from here with the gold. If I still have the stop loss covered in this trade. So the idea is I can execute a trade in my real main account or lose this trade. Yeah, so like I said, we always follow the rules. We need the price to come and hit it in the SL to break even section. Then only we will consider about buying selling the gold here. So we are not having any trades in crude. We have micro gold available here. Yeah, we'll try to take the trade here. I'm not a big fan of top step platform because you cannot type any number here. Maybe I'm not aware of that. That may be the reason. I'm not a big fan. Let's wait for the. Now I need the price to come down. So we put gold price come down. USD JPY. Yeah, it's also a good, excellent pair. Yeah, it has created a low. This has created the high. Breakout structure. What's the day telling? Day is completely bullish. We can go for buys here. Now let's see H1. Again, we don't directly take the trade. We just need the price to retrace back and then enter into the trade. This is a good setup. Took the break, took the come back and took the retest liquidity. Where is it? LQ. Yeah. Took this liquidity and went up. That is beautiful. Yeah, this would definitely will be taken, guaranteed. This is an SMT. Yeah, now let's be a part of US dollar and okay, beautiful. Took all this liquidity. Yeah, now we can narrate a story. That's a higher time frame. It's bullish, so this high will be taken out. That's our SMT, which we are telling. We put it here. Took all the sellers. Took all the people who want to have here. That's now all the buyers, which all the sellers would have taken out from here, or then it came and took this liquidity. Okay. Yeah, broke structure here, change the structure. Now the only issue is that this is a strong movement and it came up. So if it was a strong movement, it should have came up. Then this should get intact. Let's see what euro is happening. Euro is working smart. We moved the stop loss to 1:3 because it can go as 1:3. I still believe it can go. That's one thing. We have Asia low, Frankfurt low, and again London low. And the buying scenario too here is also this is the best place to buy here. That's also another great narration. So if your narration is bullish, created a high, this is the place here, and you can see here that in what's that, we have a Fiji here in 1 minute. Yeah, we have perfect a Fiji here, created a higher high, and this is the great place to buy. So if this is the swing high, 761.8 to 78%, it's a great place. I would definitely buy here if I want to take the trade. If you buy here, cover this 1:2 is that high, easy. But I'm at short. Now you ask me why do I need to go short? Again, whole trend is down. Took this whole liquidity and has the potential to come down fast and strong. It's still waiting, and trading is a waiting game. If you know what are the outcomes and you accept the risk for all those outcomes, then there won't be any issues. How's our gold doing? Yeah, the gold is coming up. So we are waiting for a alarm. Oh my god. It fell down. Now what's crude doing? Okay. That's good. I can not enter the trade. I want to enter the trade, but I cannot enter the trade. And again, how much quantity we need? 15-14 quantities, right? 14 quantities means, yeah, 20 points, 21 points, 14 quantities. Because the trade is here. If I want to take that trade, I need to exit this trade and go take that trade. Is this a good trade? Yeah, definitely it's a good trade, because you see here from this comes 11 o'clock till 12:53. So around 2 hours, 1 hour 45 minutes it's been consolidating, took the liquidity, came down. This is the huge move to the upside. This is the price where it took here. Yeah, I can go for short here, guys. That's a good duration. This was a good buy side. See here, took this whole, changed the Fiji to Universe of Fiji, and it took it and went up strong. And again, it again took this. So I can go for a short here. Easily 30 points with no confirmation now. That's not a good sign. We can take the trade here if you are a risky trader, but I would not take a trade here. I would wait for the price to come up more. Create. Now I'll see, and I'll tell what are the patterns which I'm expecting in the gold. Before that, let me see, do I have any comments? Mostly no, but let's see. Yeah, so the criteria which you are looking to have a short sell is this: the price needs to come up and take the high, come down, create a break of structure, and I could look for short somewhere here, and I get a good movement. That's my first case. Okay, now my second case is price come up, take this huge, since this distance is huge, what we want is, okay, I'll tell, don't worry. The price is huge, we want this internal low to get broken out. We create a 2 leg and we take the entry here and stop loss here, 1:2 or more, simple as that. It's a great place to look great short, man. It's a great place to short. And this trade is going to mess it up. That's it. We are done for today, it seems, because this will get taken out for sure. No doubt about that. And like I mentioned before, this if you want to take a long, this was the good place to take a long. And the shop, yeah, it's done. We are done for the day, mostly. Again, we don't exit in the middle. We want the price to come. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, like I said. Yeah. We are waiting for the price to hit. Few more seconds and it's done. There is no way it's going to come down from here. Okay, good trade. Lost the trade. Okay, now let's see how much we lost. It was supposed to be 408. Yeah, good. I made like 527 as a loss. It's fine. My initial risk was 1 hour is like 400. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Let us close that. So sadly, I cannot trade anymore because I lost 2 trades. And there's no point in taking trade anymore. And gold is going to shoot up. Yeah. So that's the reason if you have the bias get wrong, then there's no point in you can do anything. You'll get loose. So was in cells here. You see, I haven't moved my stop loss to 1:3 because still, yeah, I believe that. But this is bullish. This is bullish. Only it was bullish. That's one thing. Sadly, that's that. I don't know how many minutes have been. Yeah, I think we can stop here, right? 2 loss today. First, that's done. Yeah, I'll do it with better mic and better placement and everything in the next session, and it will be tomorrow. Oh, today is Friday, right? So Monday, New York session, I'll be there 15 minutes before New York session and 2 hours for the whole day London session. New York also I will be available for 1 hour, but the condition is this: I should not have 2 losses. That's it. So see you tomorrow and ciao ciao.